Back to Banff after the first week of school. A reward. Emily's coming along with us. Hit it.
This year's felt like 4 seasons of winter, and you'd give anything to feel the sun. Always reaching, always climbing, always second guessing the timing. But God has a plan, a purpose in this. You are his child, and don't you forget. He put that hunger in your heart. He put that fire in your soul. His love's the reason to keep on believing. When you feel like giving up, when you feel like giving in, his love's the reason to keep on believing. If we could pull back the curtain of heaven, we would see his hand on everything. Every hour, every minute, every second, he's always been in it. Don't let a shadow of a doubt take hold. Hold on to what you already know. He put that hunger in your heart. He put that fire in your soul. His love's the reason to keep on believing. When you feel like giving up, when you feel like giving in, his love's the reason to keep on believing. It's the reason, it's the reason, it's the reason. He's the peace in the madness that you can't explain. He's the hope in the heartbreak, the rest in the suffering. He's closer than the air you breathe, from the start to the end, to the in-between. Don't you dare doubt even for a minute what he started in you. Yeah, he's gonna finish. Put that hunger in your heart.